everyone. On behalf of Ambica and this Nano Hotel and Profit 365, I welcome you for today's book launch and product launch, that is of Ambica Delight. So we have a guest with us, so we will welcome them with the bouquet. Then we have Vishal sir. We have Poonam ji. We have with us Mizali Talwadkar. We have
मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आज सर ने कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें लिखी है जो लोगों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जैसे सर ने बताया कि नॉलेज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो नॉलेज जितना ज़रूरी है उतना ही ज़रूरी है इस नॉलेज का लोगों तक पहुंचना। सो इतने सालों का जो एक्सपीरियंस है, इतने सालों का जो नॉलेज है, वो किसी को अगर सबसे बेहतरीन तरीका है अगर देने का, एंड दैट इज़ बुक। क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी बुक है, एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो लाइफ टाइम तक लोगों की हेल्प करेगी। भले फ्यूचर के अंदर हम कहीं भी रहें, लेकिन ये बुक जो है, हम उस बुक से ये सारा नॉलेज, सारा एक्सपीरियंस जो समीर सर ने इतने साल में किया है, उससे हम ले सकते हैं और हम अपनी लाइफ को, हम अपने बिजनेस को और बेटर बना सकते हैं। सो मैं पूरी तन मन धन से मैं आशा करता हूँ कि सर की इस बुक को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग पढ़ें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग सर के एक्सपीरियंस का यूज़ करके अपने बिजनेस और अपने लाइफ को और इम्प्रूव करें। थैंक यू सो मच। विश ऑल द बेस्ट।
ये लॉन्च किए बुक्स, ये लोकल टू वोकल की जो हम ब्रांड इंटरनेशनल को हम चूज़ कर देते, आज उसको हम साइडलाइन करते हुए लोकल को हम चूज़ करेंगे। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा इस पे ध्यान दिया है, बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने काम किया है इस पे। इसके लिए थैंक यू कि लोकल टू वोकल।
Thank you.
No time to anyone. And if at all you want to go in business, this is the most important quality one should have, that he should come close to everyone. And that happens, even I am sitting here and I can feel this aura. Because whatever you do, whatever contributions you do to yourself, contribution you do to the society, contribution you do to your family, that gives you something. Of course, I'll be slightly spiritual, because that gives you something which has got, which uplifts your personality, aura, the divinity in you, the divine qualities in you. And then what happens is, you wish for something, before wishing, only the things which are good for you come in your life. In fact, you don't have to even wish for something. Before wishing something, and you just wonder, I did not ask for this, and sometimes, after some time you realize, oh, this is what I wanted, but how come this has come in my life? This is what one should achieve. And one thing, I am very confident that the author of this book and I'll call him my brother, has gone to this stage where he wishes something, even before wishing something, things which are good for him come in his life. Business is something where you need to take a challenge, where you are so unpredictable, you cannot predict anything, and many times it so happens you need to accept, very important, accept things like, you are talking to your customers, some call comes, oh, some things have gone wrong, something has been disturbed, but still you need to maintain that smile with whatever. You cannot shout at a customer, or sometimes things happen which you are maybe in a situation where maybe some wrong thing has happened and you get a call, oh, you have won this much, but you cannot show your joy also. Very important. When we write a book, it's important to realize that we are carrying the qualities of Lord Krishna. This is what Lord Krishna did. Knowledge was important for Arjuna. Arjuna wanted knowledge. Arjuna, in spite of having capacities, abilities, strength, knowledge, everything he had, but at that moment he had collapsed. And that's what Lord Krishna did. He uplifted his spirit. He gave him knowledge. He gave him right knowledge. And if you get right knowledge, what happens is you go on the right path and you go on the right destination. You reach the right destination. And it's very important to realize that we need to reach to this right destination. Today there is a big challenge in the society, and the challenge you know about, particularly our youngsters. They are with drugs, they are with alcohol, whatever, so many challenges. As COVID, we had a big challenge, a rough patch in our life. But one thing is, such things, this small book can bring about a big transformation in our society, and this is what is the need of the society today. We need people like Dr. Samir Kuncoliekar, and we need the books which he is writing, the knowledge which he is giving to the society. I think the society needs to be grateful to him, and I wish that more and more such things come from him. Thank you.
I'm feeling privileged to attend this event. Okay, and about the book, actually I have experienced that you have ground reality about retail. एक्चुअली आपने जो अपने अनुभव शेयर किए हैं वो सारा अनुभव आपने जो इस बुक के अंदर में डाला है, लाइक कि हाउ टू ट्रीट कस्टमर, यू नो, हाउ टू गिव कस्टमर्स अ वेल एक्सपीरियंस, व्हाट कस्टमर एक्चुअली डिमांड फ्रॉम अस. सो इफ अगर यू कैन से कि अगर हर रिटेलर को वो अपनी डोंट्स पता चल जाते हैं वहाँ पे, सो ही और शी कैन इलेबोरेट हर रिटेल बिजनेस. सो यहाँ पे वो पूरी नॉलेज शेयर की है आपने अपनी बुक के अंदर में की. एंड वन मोर थिंग ऐड करना चाहूँगी कि आपने फ्रोजन फूड का जो फ्यूचर इसमें डिस्क्राइब किया है कि आने वाली जो ग्राउंड रियलिटी है, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली होती जा रही है, सबके पास टाइम की शॉर्टेज है, जो आपने इसके अंदर इलेबोरेट किया है अपना वो नॉलेज कि आने वाले भारत का भविष्य है शायद फ्रोजन फूड. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सच अ ग्रेट बुक, एंड